Hey YouTubers, my name is Bradley, a young comic Bradster, and can I just apologise for shooting the camera with my gun? I don't know what came over me, and as I was saying, hello, the Bradster? Yeah? What? Oh, no. Okay. Bye. The doctor said I had to go back to the hospital. I'm discharging myself. I screwed up. I hate myself for it. Oh! What? What? Do I not? I don't have to go back to the hospital. Oh, cool. Yes. What? What? Doctor, seriously? The doctor's only joking. He likes my ringtone. Funny my ringtone, isn't it? The doctor keeps ringing me because he really likes my ringtone. He does that every time. So I would like to say thank you for watching my videos, and also, and don't forget to subscribe. So I would like to Doctor, I know you like my ringtone, now please stop phoning me. Right. Sorry about that.